Hi, I'm Jake Peters from Family Dentistry, and today we're trying to figure out, do any of the at-home bleaching systems that you see online actually work? It seems like wherever I go online, there's links and new articles to some at-home whitening options that seem to work, and so we wanted to figure out for ourselves, so we did some testing on some of these options to see if any of them actually work. First one we checked out was charcoal toothpaste, and I think this is supposed to work by kind of scrubbing away any surface stains. And although it makes for kind of a dramatic reveal when you actually like rinse out the black toothpaste, there wasn't any really lasting results, unfortunately, with charcoal toothpaste. The second thing we tested was oil pulling, and to be honest, I'm not exactly sure how this is supposed to work, and as you can see, we didn't have any big results with this either. I don't think it's harmful for your teeth, but I don't know that oil pulling will get a really nice whitening option for you, unfortunately. The third thing we tested was hydrogen peroxide, and this, at least in theory to me, maybe could whiten because peroxide is a very powerful whitener, but the trouble is if you swish it or if you just brush it with it, I don't think it's in contact with your teeth long enough to make much of a difference. And as you can see, we didn't have any really impact with these peroxide-based systems either. The fourth option we tried was the over-the-counter whitening strips, and these actually do work. These have been time-tested, they've been around for a while, and this is actually a great at-home option if you want to try this instead of professional whitening for whatever reason. Although there's all kinds of internet options out there for at-home whitening, unfortunately, none of them proved to be very effective, with the exception of the at-home strips. Those did show a 1 to 2 shade bump in color, but for your brightest smile, professional whitening continues to be your best option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please reach out or find us on our website for more information.